Yo, it's your boy Colin, aka Colin Trades CSP, back with you with another video. Today was a major loss, and I always like to say I want to be completely transparent when it comes to posting these videos, and unfortunately today was a very loss, and I'm posting this video to let you know that I took a major loss and I basically went on full tilt. Unfortunately, that I basically hit max drawdown today, and looking back at my loss today, it could have been minimized extremely after I took the first loss and just moved on with my day. And that is something I need to basically sit back and learn and just basically take it day by day as I become a profitable trader and a more consistent trader mainly. So that's what I'm basically starting this video off. Like I said, I want to be completely transparent when it comes to posting these videos and let you guys know that full tilt is 100% real, and today was one of those days on why that it is basically a full tilt mode. So basically, let's jump in this video. Like I said, hit the like, subscribe. I'm completely transparent when it comes to posting these videos, even on the wins and the losses. Let you guys know the setup, what I took for the day, and why I took it, and then go about it from there. All right. So now it's just jumping into the account balance right now. We're currently sitting at $50,662. We had a max loss today of 1205, and as you can see when it comes to looking at this, it's that my losses are bigger than my wins. And unfortunately, I need to basically learn to, when I take a small loss, I need to learn to move away from the computer. And unfortunately, that was something that I did not do today. So I take that, and like I said, I hate making these videos, but it's something that keeps myself accountable, and then whoever's watching this video, keep yourself accountable as well moving forward when it comes to trading, because with minimal losses and more days of gain, that it will help in the long run. As you can see, I have more wins than losses, but my losses are significantly more than my wins. So knowing in the back of my head, I do know how to trade. It's just a matter of my self-confidence and my self-confliction when it comes to taking a loss. That's something I need to learn day by day as I become a more profitable trader. All right. Now going into the charts, let me open this up for you guys. Now looking at the charts, unfortunately, I took an NQ trade, and that is one of the big red flags that I shouldn't have done when it comes to trading, and there was no reason to take this trade. So I unfortunately got stopped out for a loss. Now, the reason why I took this trade is that the market was overall bullish. ES kept making new higher highs and just kept pushing higher. And the thing is with NQ is that the volatility on these contracts are extremely high, and you can get max drawdown very quickly. So I took basically the touch of this EMA cloud. So we had a break on this EMA on the 1 minute, retested this EMA, which then I took a stab long and then got instantly stopped out as it broke the EMA cloud and then started to run. Unfortunately, I just had to take that loss, just the fact because that this market is extremely volatile. Just because ES is running, NQ might not be running as fast. I also took, I believe, 2 trades on ES. And yes, 2 trades on ES, and unfortunately got stopped out as well. So when I came into the trading day, I had this level, this zone marked out. As you can see, when you start to zoom out on the hourly time frame, we have multiple touch points on this level. Touch point here, touch point here, touch point here, and touch points over here, right? So this level was very, very important going into this trading day, and we also had a pre-market sell-off of this level that allowed me to think this was going to be my level that I was going to pay attention to today. Unfortunately, the one thing I wasn't paying attention to was this 15-minute opening range break. Literally to the T, you mark your 15, We retested it. We completely dumped. This is where I was like, okay, this area is going to be my resistance spot. Tested it again, and then we have a red candle, which then I entered short. This was my resistance spot, so I was going to take a stab short with stops a break above. Unfortunately, the next 15-minute candle, complete reverse to the upside, which then pushed me out. And the thing is with me, when I see the opportunity to take something, I take it. And unfortunately, I didn't switch my bias long as we tested the 15-minute EMA or the 15-minute orb, which then allowed for the move to the upside. I took, unfortunately, another stab short. Once I took that stab short, unfortunately, it got stopped out very quickly as the next candle pushed the upside. So as looking back on these trades, unfortunately, there's something that you just have to basically flip biases when the market is presenting something else. Now, when I entered the day, I was looking at shorts at that resistance spot, but then also as the day went on, I also saw the 15-minute break of the orb retest, which then should have went long. There's a lot of confluences, and unfortunately, I just wasn't able to read it, which then got me into full tilt. And days like this happen, but it's a matter of how you react and minimize these days to change your the losses that you make, so that when you come back the next day and you have a green day, it's double, and basically you make back your loss that you lost the previous day. So I take it, like I said, I have to move on, just basically start back from ground zero and just basically keep continuing to build the account back up. So I hope you guys enjoy this transparency. Like I said, I will basically post my wins, I'll post my losses, let you know why I took them, and go about it that way. But again, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Tomorrow is Friday, last day of the trading week. Hope you guys have a successful trading day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.